168 people self-immolated for.
Freedom! Freedom!
Shame on China.
World is watching!
Shame on China.
World is watching!
Free Tibet! Free Tibet! Free Tibet! China out of Tibet now!
China out of Tibet now!
China out of Tibet now! China, China, China!
Out, out, out!
China, China, China! China, China, China! When?
No, no, no!
When?
No, no, no!
When? Long live!
Dalai Lama!
Long live! Long live! Release the political prisoners now!
Release the political prisoners now!
Release the political prisoners now! Release the political prisoners now!
Release the political prisoners now!
Release Shut Up Ghetto now!
Please shut up, now!
Release Shut Up Ghetto now!
Please shut up, now!
Release Anya Sendrak now!
Please Anya Sendrak now!
Release Anya Sendrak now!
Please Anya Sendrak now!
Release Shokchang now!
Please shut up now!
Free Tibet! Free Tibet!
China out!
Free Tibet!
China out!
We will free Tibet! We will!
Free Tibet!
We will!
Free Tibet!
We will!
Free Tibet!
We will! We will! Free Tibet! Free Tibet! Free Tibet! Free Tibet! China out of Tibet now! China out of Tibet now! Stop the torture! Stop the mining! Stop the genocide! Stop the killing! Stop the torture! Stop the
Stop
genocide!
in Tibet!
Tibet belongs to...
Shame on China!
belongs to...
Shame on China!
Peking Takpo! Peking Takpo! Peking Takpo! Yaman Bene!
Tartışın!
Yaman Bene! Peranzen!
Zamayın!
Peranzen!
Zamayın!
Peranzen!
Zamayın!
We will free Tibet! We will! We will!
Free Tibet!
We will! We will! We will! We will! Learning Tibetan is not a crime. Learning Tibetan! Learning Tibetan! Learning Tibetan! Tibet was never a part of China. Tibet was never!
Part of China!
Tibet was never! Tibet was never! Tibet was never! Tibet belongs to? Tibet belongs to?
Tibetans!
Tibet belongs to? Tibet belongs to? Long live!
Dalai Lama!
Long live!
Dalai Lama!
Long live! Free Tibet!
China out!
Free Tibet!
China out!
Free Tibet!
China out!
China out of Tibet now!
China out of Tibet now!
China out of Tibet now! Shame on CCP!
What is he watching?
Shame on CCP! Shame on CCP! China, China, China!
Out, out, out!
China, China, China!
Out, out, out!
China, China, China! When? When? China out of Tibet now!
China out of Tibet now!
China out of Tibet now! China out of Tibet now! Stop the killing! Stop the torture! Stop the genocide! Tibet now!
China out of Tibet now!
China out of Tibet now!
China out of Tibet now!
China, China, China!
Out, out, out!
China, China, China!
Out, out, out!
When?
No, no, no!
When?
Now, now, now!
Learning Tibetan!
Not a crime!
Learning Tibetan!
Not a crime!
Learning Tibetan!
It's not a crime!
Tibetans united!
We'll never be defeated!
Tibetans united!
We'll never be defeated!
The Tibetans united!
We'll never be defeated!
The Tibetans united!
We'll never be defeated!
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 Long live! Long live! Long live! Long live! Shame on CCP!
World is watching!
Shame on CCP!
World is watching!
Shame on CCP!
World is watching!
Free Tibet!
China out!
Free Tibet!
China out!
Free Tibet!
China out!
We will free Tibet! We will
Free Tibet!
We will
Free Tibet!
We will
Free Tibet!
get Tibetans united! We'll never be defeated! Tibetans united!
We'll never be defeated!
Tibetans united!
We'll never be defeated!
Okay, good afternoon, everyone who's gathered here today. On behalf of all the Tibetans all around the world, I'd like to thank everyone who's here to support our cause and to continue to rise up with us. Today we gather here to commemorate the 63 years of Uprising Day, remembering the lives lost on March 10, 1959. The tragic 168 Tibetans that have self-immolated to highlight the oppression faced by Tibetans under the cruel Chinese occupation, and remembering our brothers and sisters in Tibet who continue to endure torture and cruelty since 6 decades of illegal Chinese occupation. 63 years ago on this day, March 10, 1959, tens and thousands of Tibetans rose up to protest against the Chinese illegal occupation of Tibet. Since then, the communist China has brutally cracked down across Tibet, committing grave crime against humanity, destroying our culture and religion, and making every attempt to wipe out our identity. During this protest, thousands of Tibetans died, thousands more were sent to concentration camps, and sacred religious sites were destroyed. That was 63 years ago. But the communist China continues to destroy our religious sites, continue to torture and slaughter Tibetans in our homeland, stripping them of basic human rights, and committing cultural genocide on a mass scale. I would like to implore with Canada and other nations of the world to stand up for what is right and just. Rise up with Tibetans and join us to show communist China that we will no longer be silenced. I also have an important message for the communist China on this important day. We rose up on March 10, 1959, and we will continue to rise every day against you. We will continue to protest your inhumane treatment of our brothers and sisters in Tibet. We will not rest until justice is served. We will not rest until we see His Holiness the Dalai Lama return to his rightful place, Tibet, our homeland. The more you oppress us, the higher we will rise. The more you silence us, the louder we will roar. Gyalo! Gyalo!
Gyalo!
Gyalo! Thank you, everybody who's here. Next. Sorry, just hold on a second. Okay, I'd like to welcome everybody here. Next item on the agenda would be singing our Tibetan National Anthem. Mike.
Long 함께 어제 감소인데 도귀 감재경 남극가와 샤데 우파궁라네 근서비시 나가게 근조 최가 숨기교와 이기존에